Hey, exciting stuff. Exciting stuff. The Theta is about to turn on. Now, I've already done the whole setup. It requires you to do a bunch of things like figure out your zone. Where are you in the world? And it will do stuff like that. But you can see a quick camera is pretty smooth. The feedback that you get on there is pretty smooth. There is a little bit of a, oh, power saving mode activated. Why? That was weird. There's 83% battery in there and it went into something. If you look at the screen right here, if you move fast, it does something odd. I don't think that, whoa, I don't think that affects what you do when you're filming. But I thought I'd just point that out because I do.
Likey.